What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the beginning of a new series. This one is going to be about making money on Steam through any method, right? The previous one was about making money through flipping. This one though is going to be combining everything that there is. Flipping, investing, unboxing, trade-ups, flipping with third-party websites, and perhaps even trading. In the last series we started out with one Operation Broken Fang Pass, and I was supposed to sell the cases that I got from doing missions, use that money to flip and work my way up to about 300 euros. And finally, half a year later, I've gotten to that point. Though that money is not just floating around, it is in items, so I would need to sell those items first before being able to purchase the knife. And because I would need to wait a few weeks for everything to sell in order to be able to buy the knife, I don't want to quite do that yet because I would be losing on a lot of profit. Though I might be able to do that soon because some of my items are being sold currently and I'm gonna get to that point where I have 300 euros on my balance. Sometimes that just happens naturally, so at that point I can purchase the knife and finalize the series. That's that, but there is nothing keeping us from starting a new series and making profit towards a new goal. And as I've already said, the new goal is going to be a car. I don't want to go and buy a super expensive car, but regardless it will have to happen in about 1 year, for the reason that I would be moving to a different country in about 1 year, so that's exactly why I want to delay it so long. On the bright side, we're gonna have a lot of time to make profit, so let's just set the scene and look at what we've got so far. At this moment I've put together all the money that I had on 4 different accounts. I've got a lot of medium priced CSGO stickers from the previous years, and I'm having a hard time selling those. I know they're gonna sell for the price I want them to sell, it's just it'll take a while. Right here I have the price for which I bought them, but actually I'm trying to sell them for a profit. When I do manage to sell them, I will have about 20% more money than what I spent on them. Also, I got the Falchion Knife Marvel Fade which I unboxed recently, so that is going in as well. I put it at 210 euros. I don't know how much exactly I'm gonna get for it, but I just put an approximation. Then I also have a lot of items from Rust and other games. The sum is actually quite significant for those items. I actually started liking Rust items. Even though they have a 7-day market cooldown, you can profit a lot from them and consistently, so that's kind of why they became my favorite. You can see all these items are market banned till June 17th. That's because I bought them today. That's how fast I got these items. So yeah, it's quite easy to get these items. Also, I have around 66 euros sitting around doing nothing because they are waiting for buy orders to go through. And when that's over, I'm gonna have a lot more Rust items. And the last one, I also have about 47 euros in skins for sale on Skinport. So when those items sell, I'm gonna be able to buy something else, move it to Steam, sell it there and profit that way. Though for now this total is 684 euros. And as you can see, most of this money I'm using to flip items. If I can manage to do a 10% increase weekly just from flipping, that's going to be insane. 10% from 684, that's going to be 68 euros in 1 week. I don't think that's impossible. I think it's quite very possible, especially if I do it consistently and if I use all the money that I have for it. Because currently I'm only using about a fourth, the rest is stuck in other things and other items that are not really selling at this moment. And I mean, those were flips as well, but they kind of turned into investments with time. Also, I want to mention that the money that I make on YouTube and the money I make from the sponsor, Skinport, they are also going to go partly towards this. A part of that money is going to go to taxes, obviously, a part of it is going to go to improve the YouTube channel, and a third part of it is going to go into my Steam account. It's going to go towards making investment videos, trying different things, experimenting and stuff like that. And perhaps unboxings and trade-ups when I decide to do them. For now, I don't exactly know how often I'm going to update you on the progress, but most likely it's going to depend on the profit that I make. In the last week, I've made about 19 euros, which is pretty good because I only used a small part of the money. The rest was not available at that time. If you don't quite understand what flipping is in general, you can watch this video for beginners and this video for more intermediate people. That's basically what I do. It's just I look on the market, I find good items, I put buy orders, I sell them, voila, that's it. Of course, not always, but a lot of the time I use my own software to flip. It improves my efficiency by a lot, so I don't have to spend as much time and I can make more profit with it. But yeah, I think that is pretty much it. I've set the ground rules for this series, I've shown you what I've got so far, I told you how I'm going to make profit, and that's about it. In the next episode, I'm going to talk a lot more about strategy, so subscribe to not miss out on that. Also check out Skinport. They are a marketplace for CSGO skins and also other games as well. Over there, people sell their skins for real money. You can go ahead and sell your skins there as well. You can also buy skins for pretty cheap compared to the Steam marketplace. You can find really good deals, minus 40% sometimes. And that makes depositing money a lot more efficient if you want to do a case unboxing or if you just want to invest in Steam in general. At least that's how I deposit my money. So yeah, I do recommend you check it out. My affiliate link is down in the description. I do get a commission every time you make a sale, so thank you in advance if you're going to use it. And have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye bye.